Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old phone to your new Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to do that, you can use, for instance, the Send Anywhere app. So you need to go to the Play Store, and then you want to search for the Send Anywhere app. There we go. And now you want to select this one, and you want to install it. You actually want to install it on both devices, the Motorola and your old phone as well. But once you do that, you can open the app. Of course, you need to agree to terms and service, you need to agree to privacy policy, and then you can press confirm. You need to grant access, so let's allow everything. And of course, notifications are optional, but this time I will allow as well. We don't really need updates. You can also enable Wi-Fi Direct, so you can send and receive files between nearby Android devices without an internet connection, so you can try that out as well. And what we can do is, for instance, let me actually show you on my other smartphone as well. So over here I have my other smartphone. Let me actually also change the brightness just really quick. Alright, so let's say I want to transfer some images from one device to another. So what I need to do is simply select them. Let's say I want to select this photo, then I can press send. And now over here I have these numbers or the QR code. I can also share the link. I can go to receive on my new device, and then I can input the key over here, or I can scan the QR code by using this icon over here. So if you press this, then we should open the camera. Let's skip the ad. Of course, we need to allow to take pictures and record videos. And now we can scan the QR code. However, I'm gonna also show you how to use the code. So over here we need to enter the code. So in this case it's 677869, and then let's proceed. And then once we enter the code, now we will start transferring the file pretty much. Now of course you might get lots of ads, so you want to skip them. And as you can see, I have now received the image, and I can just open it, watch it, etc. So that is pretty cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.